Hi again. So as I promised, I will be showing with you how to easily make a Christmas bow using a different cardstock of your choice. So here, since I have the Christmas project, which involves gold, pink, silver, rose gold colors, so this is the color of my choice. But then again, go ahead and do the color that you want. So I already pre-cut the components of what we are going to use in this project. Again, so earlier when I was cutting this, there were a lot of scraps that, you know, was set aside, and I really feel bad, having all these things here go to waste. So if you joined us in our previous video, we made this pine cone glittered pine cone ornament using the scraps from this cut that we are doing right now. So this particular template is available in my Etsy shop. It is in SVG, PDF, DXF, so you can use this one in your cutting machine, and at the same time you can just cut it by hand if you don't have a machine. So first things first, this particular project is laid out in an ordinary size of cardstock, meaning just the 8.5 by 11. So you don't really need an extraordinary size of cardstock in here. I intentionally laid this out into the regular cardstock. So I will show you the difference of size later. But for now, let's put this one together. So again, I already pre-cut this. First thing is make sure to curl our components so it would be more malleable and easier to glue later. So again, you can, especially this small one, you can use this as like, when you gift wrap, you can use this in particular. And at the same time, you can even put this one in your Christmas tree as part of your ornament. So again, if you get your glittered cardstock from Printworks DIY, you won't be able, you will not feel the, the heavy load of the price, because this one, I think they have a pack of 15 for this particular cardstock. It comes in white, glittered, and also the silver. So also this particular template is super easy to make. I mean, it's already cut in a way that, all you have to do is just assemble it. So you can even just use this one, or you can add the tassel on it. Like so. And also clean this up with this piece. Okay, so now we have our small one layer bow that we're using the glittered cardstock from Printworks DIY. So now I'm gonna show you, because this particular one we're going to use this in our project later. uh, this one will be in particular a double layer bow. So first things first, so we have our base layer, which is the gold, and also we have our secondary layer here. So we'll first make sure that we are going to assemble the base layer. So I'm just gonna glue this one here, trying to align it with the square piece that we have, because again, you know, we are just in this particular size, we are using 3 pieces of cardstock. Unlike this one is only 1 piece for everything. This one we have to use 3 pieces, and because I am into layouting this one in, you know, an ordinary 8.5 by 11 cardstock. For this particular size, we have to use 3 pieces of it. So now that we have our base layer in, we are just going to add up our accent color, which is the pearlized pink. So by the way, if you don't know where I get this particular paper, this one, it's not really a cardstock, but it's a 28 pound pearlized paper that I got from Amazon. So if you go to my website, I have, under the supplies, I have most of the materials that I use are there. And then to the other side. This is super easy to make, guys. And again, you know, it will absolutely give an extraordinary impact of your projects. Even with your gift wrapping, you know, a simple gift wrap, and then you put this bow. This is way so much better than the bow that you can get somewhere else, because I'm not trying to be biased, but as you know, for me, this bow is well more defined than the other material. It holds its shape really well compared to the others. Okay, and now we are just going to flip this, and we are just going to glue this one here. On the following video, so this one is the second one. On the following video, we are going to create the ultimate Christmas project for this season. I'm so up for DIYing my decor and ornaments and making it sure that it's gonna be cheaper compared to when buying it somewhere else. And then to the other side. So again, you know, for those who are newcomer, what we are doing right here is a holiday bow using cardstock and paper. Because again, you know, I try to make my Christmas decorations this year. Most of it are ornaments and decorations made out of cardstock and paper or crepe paper or anything, any material that's made of paper. So here we go. You can just have this one, or we can again, you know, add the tassel. Uh-oh. This paper in particular, it's because of its sheen. It's a little bit waxy. So we have to make it sure that will really add more glue into it, into the component. So here we go, and we are just going to place this one into our existing bow. And place the tassel as center as you can. So it's almost done. The only thing that's missing here is to cover up this front area so it will look more finished and more presentable. So we have these two pieces here. And then just use this. I think I need to make some cuts. To make this one fit more into our bow. So we are done with this holiday bow, and we are going to proceed to our next and final video for today. So again guys, so this is how it looks like, and this is the cardstock primarily that I use. So in case you are wondering, and very easy to make too. It's already cut in a way that, you know, all you have to do is just to glue the pieces together. So anyway, thank you so much for joining, and you know, just stay tuned for the next video. In a moment, we're going to make two different major projects, Christmas projects, in sponsor of Printworks DIY cardstock. So stay tuned guys, and see you in the next video.